Now, the item master for a fabrication industry is a bit complicated. It is not like the other industries. An item, basically in a metal fabrication industry, has something called as an engineering change control or engineering change management. It's generally called as ECN or ECR, engineering change record or engineering change note. What is this is, each item basically undergoes multiple revisions. There are engineering changes, and when the engineering changes happens, there is a revision which is added to the drawing or to the item, and the reasons for the revisions and the revision controls have to be managed. Now, this can be done in the Item Master add-on in SAP Business One. Not only that, all the revision and their respective drawings can also be uploaded and stored in this Item Master add-on. So you will be able to see all the revisions of a particular item and its drawing and the explanation of the revisions and the date of the revisions and the person who made the revision, all available in one place. So the engineering change management can be handled through this Item Master add-on. Not only that, the fabrication industry uses a lot of raw material which is basically procured in a different unit of measure, whereas when it comes inside, it is stored in a different unit of measure. For example, a steel plate or a steel sheet is basically bought in numbers, whereas it's inverted into SAP in kgs. So you can use SAP standard multiple unit of measure, but that will still not solve the problem, because in metal fabrication industry, you buy the same item in different dimensions, and every time you buy a steel plate or a steel sheet of different dimension, the weight basically changes. The Item Master basically has provisions of specific gravity, the length and width. So when you go to the transaction screen, you basically feed in the length and width of the steel plate, and the quantity of the steel plate procured is given. Automatically, the weight is calculated. The input for these is available in the Item Master, and similar things are available for steel pipes, steel rods, angles, channels, and all the raw material which basically goes into a metal fabrication industry.